Hello, my name is Diagonal, and I hope you guys are doing wonderful. In this video, though, we're going to be looking at my brand new MOC that I've created for Mr. Cactus's 50 subscriber MOC contest. I'm pretty proud of this MOC, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So with that, cue the music. But there it is. Honestly, this was one of my favorite videos and favorite MOCs that I've made. I think it turned out really, really cute. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And with that, I'll see you later. Stay spiffing.